I know we're in the middle of the Dewar River trip, but for you bullet truck and rock crawling lovers, this is the last episode of that Menai run that we did with bullet truck. So Phil had left the top of this climb. 2 other trucks couldn't get there, so we're up there on our own, and we're going to be coming down it. But have a look at that. Can you even see a truck in there? It's going to be panic stations. In 4 weeks' time, we've got 3 consecutive comps. So we've got 1 in Queensland, 1 in Cooma, and 1 up at Killy's Loop. So this is the last episode of that series. We've got a lot of work to do to get that truck out of the garage for starters. We've got to put a cross member in it. Now I'm sweating on the Roadrunner cross member whether or not I'm going to see it before the first weekend in March, but we do have a backup plan. Got 4 weeks to get it out, ready. But here's the footage of us coming down.
Bye, Cooper. Bye.
Pushing you. Yeah. Right. Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Wait a minute, wasn't the challenge to come down this hill? What have we done turning around? Sometimes I don't know what I'm thinking.
Dry, slow.
Wait, guys.
and then you'll be able to drive it, I reckon.
Hopefully, we could if I could. Take up the slack.
Yeah, man.
Everyone out of the way. Nelly, stand back.
Truth. Keep going.
Oh, I thought I could go it.
Get into it. Fire out. Oh. Do you want me to get a shot?
What's it want to do? I can't steer left.
Keep going. Keep going. Oh, no. Nah, he's got it. He's got it. Bruh. You want to drive it? Bruh.
Just run with the cable.
This man. Jaden, I don't like your chances staying there, eh? Take a strap. See what that does. Taking the rock with him. You move that rock, you go up and down.
Yeah, but it doesn't feel good on the steering.
Nah, it doesn't look good either. Cheeky it. Fellas. Yeah. Put your winch in. Tail shaft. Go right hand. Get yourself higher on this side. Go right hand down. Your tail shaft is sitting on the rock. If you go more than that V, put your rear diff, center it up. That'll be better. Yep, you're down on that side. Righty. Good stack. That was a mad stack. It's alright. It's alright. Oh, lucky you got that rail there.
Lucky you got the camera there.
Yeah.
This is going to pick up the opposite way now.
Oh, I reckon you'll be alright. Turn that way. No, you missed it, you're right. You going down that? Down the middle. Middle? Beautiful.
The sliders took a beating on this run. Lucky we've got to redo all this for tough truck when we do it. But even the box section was taking some big hits. That cross member let us down big time. So if we'd have had the flat one here from the States, it would have done a lot better. And you can see there the rubber on the factory mount. So that's obviously moved as well. It really copped a flog in that mount. I hate to see what that looks like, but that's a lot of movement. We've got them bulletproof trail gear ones to put in once our cross member comes. The tail shaft's done okay with the touching there. It hasn't done any worse. Got a fair indentation here. But look, it held together for the run. I'm happy with that. Yeah, all the factory stuff that we replaced with this last rebuild, we would have broken it all. It's strong now, this setup, really strong. We're lucky we didn't do any damage to the housing there where it's not protected or got a bash plate underneath it. Well, we did land on it a few times. I think we winched ourselves across it one time too. Bit of cosmetic damage on this side. We'll fix all that up. The light here, when we were trying to winch out of that hole, a little bit of weepage there out of the steer box. This door might actually need planing down. Oh, wait a minute. It's not the building game, is it? Passenger mirror too, but I know I've got a spare set of mirrors in this pile of parts here. Mirrors could be anywhere. Here's the driver's side. Gonna need a torch. Massive sag on the driver's side. So, 3 runs, pretty hard runs. We've done Sugarloaf, we've done Menai just now, and we've done Weenie Creek. And the W in that driver's spring is evident. So I dare say before the next run, I'm gonna have to fit the other leaves I've got. The exact same. Exposed shock shaft here of 110. Passenger side, 130. So we've got a 20 mil. It's not too bad, but it's enough. I don't think it's in here. Aha, mirrors. Quick bit of maintenance before I have to back it back into the garage. Good as gold, look at that. Back it in now. And as always, thanks for watching.